what did you just say?
So this is his stage back here. There's also built Bluetooth speaker.
The sound system.
Yeah, the sound
system.
system.
That is like the hidden secret. That's what really sets My Comfy Couches apart from other brands. Like,
Totally.
They call me the Couch Whisperer. I help real people find real couches. Today's real person is Lauren. Lauren is a busy mom, and she contacted me in a complete panic. Her couch had broken right from underneath her, so she needed something fast. Not only did she need it fast, but she needed something extremely durable and made for families. She has a young toddler and 2 crazy big dogs in her house. So she needed something that had a fabric on it that was going to be very resistant to her lifestyle. Now, the biggest thing though is that she wanted it to be comfy. And that word rang a bell in my mind. Comfy couches? My Comfy Couches was the perfect brand for her. So we ordered something from My Comfy Couches and she just got it delivered. I've never seen this brand in person and I'm extremely excited to check it out. Let's go inside. Hello, it's the Couch Whisperer.
Zion, let's go see who it is.
Hello.
Hey, how are you,
you?
Alex? Good to see you.
You too. My name's Mr. Whisperer. Just kidding, it's Alex. Where are you going, my friend? Back this way.
Thanks so much
Wow.
for coming out.
Oh my God, it looks amazing.
I know, it's great,
Wow,
seriously.
it looks so plush.
Yeah, and it's super grand too.
I love it. Come,
Yeah.
let's sit down together. My first impression, it's really overly plush and really nice in that way, right?
It
It's
is.
like fluffier than it feels, or than
Beyond.
it seems to be online, yes?
Yeah, I so appreciate just giving you a couple tidbits of what I needed. You like beyond came through.
That's awesome. So let's talk about that situation,
Yeah.
right? You came to me
Yeah.
and you had some very specific needs. Your last couch broke.
Framing.
I mean, I
It-
haven't
it
met
was
your
a
husband.
decent-
Is this a very large man?
No, he's probably 180.
180.
Yeah.
And the couch just
Yeah.
broke from under you. So you wanted something that was extremely plush and cozy. Is
Oh,
that
wait.
something?
And there's a compartment space under here.
Okay, let's
You can't
let's,
have enough compartment space
let's take a look.
when you have a child,
Let's
right?
see what's hidden
So he
in
has
this.
his toys. If you have guests coming over, you
Oh.
quickly need to hide something, or we put his pillow under there. You can put blankets.
This kind of color profile.
Exactly.
But the problem with most fabrics with that kind of color profile is that when you have a little crazy guy like this
and 2 dogs that
and
shed.
2 crazy dogs,
I mean, it literally checks off everything that we were looking for. I like aesthetics, but I need to be practical with 2 big dogs that shed, tracking dirt, and with a toddler.
so that's something that's interesting. This is like one
Yeah.
of their chenille fabrics, and to find, this is kind of a newer thing with the super performance capabilities that it has. To have a fabric that is textured like this
Yes.
is something different, and it's nice because it adds some more body to it and some life, I think. you
And
know?
I was nervous again because of the pictures you see online. I really was hesitant. And then when it came here, seriously, my expectations, I couldn't believe it. It's nicer than I thought.
Right, this sofa is also like liquid repellent, right?
Exactly.
We're gonna test the water repellency and see if it goes right off. Wow, do you see that?
Wow.
Dripping right off. Really cool. And any excess, you just like take a little paper towel. A little got in there, but that's like super easily dried. Awesome. Can't even see where it was now.
This is his stage back here because of the Bluetooth speakers.
Wait, what did you just say?
So this is his stage back here. There's also built Bluetooth speaker.
The sound system.
Yeah, the sound
That is
system.
like the hidden secret. That's what really sets My Comfy Couches apart from other brands. Like,
Totally.
There's plenty of sofas out there with sound systems, but not of this quality. And I think that's really what they were going. This is a sound system, so it's in one of the pieces. So this piece comes just like the back of it is
Correct.
like this,
And
right?
there's also a piece that looks like this, that if you, for any reason, didn't want to show the speaker or you needed to take a break, they also give you a piece that matches this that fits right here.
Okay, that's really cool.
Oh yeah, you can also charge too.
You can charge your phone by just putting it on top of that thing, right?
Yep.
That is super cool.
Yep.
Your husband, tell me about him and the story of the evolution of this. Is this something he was excited about?
So because he's in IT, like we have a million speakers, Bose, etc. We have surround. He had installed the original back. And I said, wait, hold on a second. He also sent us the cloud system. And so he was skeptical just because of his background, right? He has an appreciation for music
Sure.
and for good speaker, and he ended up installing it. And we've been jamming to music. He approves,
That's awesome.
which is crazy. because it takes him a lot. Like, he knows a lot about this.
When you get an IT nerd, especially one who knows music
Exactly.
and sound to like something,
Yeah.
I think that's like a 2 thumbs up.
Exactly.
situation,
I
you
was
know?
like, okay, he's approving of it. Daniel approved, then we're good. I was very immediate needs in needing something.
Absolutely.
And it shipped so quickly, by the way. I was thinking it would take weeks.
How long did it take?
I want to say 5 days, if that. But I mean, it was quick.
But it was fast and it arrived
Especially
by
for shipping.
FedEx.
Yes, FedEx, exactly. He was great. The baby was in the way. He brought in all the pieces. I thought, we're going to have to hire someone. And he said, no, it was just simple for me just to assemble.
One of the things that's special about this is its modularity. Now you guys are moving soon, correct?
Yep.
That was one of the things that jumped out to me. This is the type of thing that if you needed to move configurations around or like split it up into 2 for something else like that. If you wanted to order additional pieces, then that's something that's possible. with
Exactly,
my couches.
because it's from my understanding, there's a piece that can go here and there, right? To make it wider.
Totally, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very happy. The color, the comfort, the ease of assembly that he did, the delivery, the process. It was easy, it was simple.
Now, you told me a story off camera where your husband
Yes,
had a very special job working for a very special someone.
correct.
And this was up on the wall before we got here because it was a special gift from his former
This was.
client. I don't know, ladies, is this something that you would want to have in your house? What's that? That's Auntie Beyonce.
Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.